Okay, boys and girls, this part of your math assignment is optional. Optional means you get to choose if you're going to do it or not. Okay? You have the choice. I'm going to teach you how to do it. If you choose to do it, good job. So this is page 21. You took this out of your math packet. In this page, they're asking us to make a word problem. So remember, a word problem is a problem with words. It's kind of like a math story. So we're going to be telling a math story here. So you had this page and then you had a page with fishies. You have so many fishies. You get to decide how many fishies you're going to use. So down here we have our math story or our word problem, and it says there are blank blue fish and blank green fish in the water. How many are there all together? Ooh, and look at, we have our keyword there. All together tells me that we're doing addition because we want to know how many fishies are all together. And in our story, we're talking about blue and green fishes. So what I did from this page, I colored some blue and some green fishes. I decided that in my math story, in my word problem, I wanted to have 3 blue fishies in the water. And I wanted to have 2 blue fishies in the water. So I'm going to glue my fishes, and because these are little, I'm only going to put 1 dot per fish. So I'm going to glue my fish. They're going up, some of them are diving down. 1 dot. This little guy is going down. This little guy is going back up. He's jumping up. These two are just kind of hanging out. The green fishies are just hanging out. They're like, ooh, who's at the beach today? Who's at the beach today? So I need to finish my number story, right? In my story, there are 1, 2, 3 blue fishes and 1, 2 green fishes. So now it says there are 3 blue fish and 2 green fish in the water. How many are there all together? And all together I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fish. I have 5 fish all together. And ta-da! Your fish story problem is all done. Now you get to decide how many fishes are going to be or how many fish are in your story, but you cannot use the same numbers that I used. Okay? You cannot have 3 blue fish and 2 green fish because that's my story. You have to pick fish for your story. Okay? And then when you're done, you're going to turn in a picture of this. This one is not going to go in your math journal. It does not go in your math journal. You just take a picture of it and turn in the picture.